Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to make Mosaic in ArcGIS. So let's open ArcGIS, and then if you have downloaded already the data you have, uh, for example, we have name data. So we have different name data. I added them. As you see here, we have 4 blocks of DM data. So we want to merge them as mosaic and to work as a one layer. Then what you do now, going to Arc toolbox, and you have to go data management tools, and then come to raster here, and from raster to raster dataset, and then to mosaic to new raster. So just click on it, you will get a new window. The window, so what you do now, you can add the files here, what you have, the 4 blocks of DM, and or you can drag it to the space here. So another thing, you have to specify the output location. I will do it like this, sorry, and then you have to name it. For example, I name it as a mosaic number 1, and you have option to change the pixel type. So I prefer 16. And then if you have bands, so you can add the number of the bands you have. So we have name data as one single band or layer. So I will show you how it will be the result. So then, okay, we have to wait a bit. Yeah, here it is, the result. So I will switch off. As you see, previously we had 4 blocks, and then if you activate the mosaic layer, which is the new one, and now you can work from single layer of the mosaic theme. Thank you for watching.